Gold prices breached past $4,000 levels, and in fact today again started on the day on a strongly bullish note, hitting the highs at 40.22. While it is silver which has struggled to trade bullish yesterday, we have seen a good dip all the way towards 47.30, though it has recovered sharp now towards 48.40 levels. If you talk about crude oil and natural gas, see, we talked about 3.8 since long for natural gas. What it has done, it has achieved 3.8 here, and crude oil likewise has struggled so far to break beyond $62 zone. So can we expect a breakout beyond 62 today in oil? What should be our strategy? Though ideal strategy for gold is to just buy and hold, that is what it appears to be the case. Can we expect it to rally towards 4100? Or the highs are done, the $4,000 mark is done, expect a reversal? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold, silver, oil, and gas? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver, and then crude oil and natural gas in the last. Watch till the end. Now, gold certainly rising exponentially here again, delivering or trading in this bullish channel. It is almost at the top of the channel, the lows of the channel right now at around 39.70, 39.80 mark on the hourly chart. So on the hourly charts, it is still staying bullish and it appears to be at the top here. Look at the candle sizes here. See higher lows, higher highs here. Even if you see it is staying below 40.10, you can take a sell, but 4,000 has now become a support. 4,000, 39.90 and 39.80 are the levels. These three levels, if gold trades below, you can say that it is a reversal and then we can see a good correction. Notice what has happened here. See, after a rise we have seen a little dump. After a good rise it might follow with a little dump, but it is right now not showing any such sign. It is staying bullish, looking upwards, continue to rise here. If you see the moving averages, these are trading with divergence, staying bullish. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD rising again, looking upwards, having lot much of room still on the upside. RSI back to overbought zone. Coming to 2 hour chart, likewise on the 2 hour chart, see increasing body size. Then a bigger candle has appeared, and now it is trying to break on the upside. Also, this is at the top of this, and hence you have to watch out with caution till towards 40, 24, 25 levels. Once it trades beyond 40, 24, 25, as we have discussed, 40-40 is the next milestone which it would like to hit. And remember, till 40-40 the chances of reversal for the week are high. Till 40-40 you should not be treating that it cannot reverse, because beyond 40-40 what lies ahead is 4100 mark. Keep a note of this. Now see, it is staying in this channel, delivering waves. It is at the top of the channel. Possible reversal cannot be denied here, but I think till 39.80, now 39.80 has become the base for it. 39.30, 39.60 mark. As long as these two levels are respected, you have to be careful with the sells here. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent, MACD bullish, looking upwards. And see, this is also at the top here. You can see delivering waves again from these levels. In general, reversal begins. You can see the history here. Whenever it is shown such bullish moves, it is always followed with a reversal. I hope this is again the same case here. And that is what also confirms till 40-40 the chances of reversal may remain high. RSI is staying overbought here. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, again increasing body size, increasing bullishness. Possibly the next candle you have to wait and watch. If at all it erases the gains from this and trades below 4,000, that should become the possible signal for a reversal here. And then specifically a move below 39.80 is the only confirmation of reversal. Else we know now that 40-40, if it trades beyond, I think for the week it might try to trade in fact beyond 4100, or in fact move towards 4200 mark as well. Stochastic extremely overbought, MACD at the top here. Again, look at the cycles here. Though it is looking upwards, but at the top here chances of reversal are high. RSI overbought again. On the 4 hour chart, the candle is trying to take a shape. Preceding candle comes with a flat top, certainly indicating bullishness here. Also the 5 period moving average offering it a very good support, and thus this is the zone which gold has to trade below for 4038.80, 39.80. As long as 4039.80 are not taken, you should not be treating this as bearish. Though I see that this is trading at the highs of this channel, we have to wait and watch how it behaves at 40, 24, 25, because beyond this possibly we are seeing 40-40 levels. Stochastic extremely overbought, MACD rising, divergent, bullish, looking upwards. RSI extremely overbought as well. And on the daily charts, we know things are getting overbought, things are staying overbought, but this is the round of rise since the breakout here. It is continuing with this exponential move. What lies ahead is distant target. Look at the daily charts here. You can see 5 period certainly offering it a very crucial support. We have hardly seen any move below 5 period moving average since this breakout, and almost in this last couple of months what we had seen is almost 20 to 25% rise now right from the bottom. So yes, it has already seen a good appreciation, and if you look at the preceding candle here, it is closed at the top. Current one started on a bullish note. Now one thing, once it trades beyond 4040, I think we are going to see similar size of candle. Now when you talk about similar size of candle, what is the move here? It has almost shown $80 of move. So 40 40 40 60 is what you should be careful of, and those levels should remain the highs. Possibly from those levels a fall tomorrow cannot be denied, but yes, it is right now not showing such signs of reversal. But yes, 40 40 40 60 zone is what you should watch out for, the next strongest resistance, and then 4100 is the target, and then 4200 is the next target. Stochastic extremely overbought, MACD rising exponentially, RSI extremely overbought, sitting at the top. Do not know how high it can fly further, though I think uh, things are quite stable now, and the exponential run what we had seen in the recent past might not be replicated here. The movement might remain sluggish for now. So what to expect today, where to enter? Before I provide you the trading levels and strategy, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, do not miss to join the 35th mentorship batch. Registrations are open. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Those looking forward to just trade as per the signals can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. And if you're looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a sweat-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So first thing is where you should buy. As we have discussed, you can buy here at 40 24 25 levels. I am looking at 40 40 here, the first target zone. 40 54 the next, and then 40 65. If these three levels are taken, I think this is going to offer the maximum resistance for the day. Even if a gold starts to rise, these levels possibly might be the levels from which it can try to reverse here. And then 4100 should be there, and then we can look forward to 4200 in the near future very very soon. But yes, things are not so easy here. It cannot be one way run here all the way for gold. Yes, the dollar has also spiked yesterday, and it is trading at a 9 weeks high here. This also causes or poses a challenge for gold to keep on rising. On the downside, what I'll recommend where you should sell. Now, since you have seen already a good rise, I will recommend you to sell at 4010 levels. Expect 4000, very crucial number, and see 4000 and 3988, 3980, two levels here. This is the most crucial zone for gold for the day. A drop below this should take it towards 3960, and a drop below 3960 should take it towards 3940. If at all gold decides to trade below 3940, it's a beginning of reversal. We can expect 3900 and then 3850 mark very very soon. It appears a dream for now. It is not showing any bearishness. It is just a one-way run which it is showing, and it might continue with that, though profit booking has to kick in. Let's see when it does. Trade accordingly. Let's move to silver. If you look at silver on the hourly charts, see the resistance here at 4880. Since then what has happened, we have seen a good drop. It has recovered. Now still it is delivering lower highs. So what you can do now, once it trades beyond 4860, when you see the lower price above 4860, that is the point of time you can initiate a buy. But then expect 4880 as the first resistance, and if at all it trades above 4880, that should confirm the breakout move. Notice it has formed a nice flag here, and once it trades beyond 4880, we are looking at 4920 and 4980 mark the next target. The moving averages which is crossed over for sale, again looking upwards, suggestive of further bullishness here. Stochastic overbought. MACD after retracing towards the bottom is crossed over at the bottom and now looking upwards. A slight bullish indication it is. RSI trying to bounce back. Coming to 2 hour charts. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation, the drop here, the bounce back, the retracement here. I'll wait for it to deliver a breakout beyond 4860, 4880 mark, because beyond this what lies ahead is a move towards the top, is a move towards, in fact, 4980 and $50 levels. Possibility is there. Moving average is divergent again. Stochastic rising. The MACD has delivered a good bearish wave trying to cross over for a buy. The RSI is rising as well. On the 3 hour, what it has done on the 3 hour charts, after a good drop, taken the support from the 50 period and now trying to bounce back. Now a breakout here beyond 4860, 4880 should confirm the next round of rise here, which is going to take it all the way towards 49.20 and 49.80 mark. But I'll say things have gone overbought on the daily and larger time frames, and hence you have to be cautious till 48.60, 48.80 is not taken. Stochastic rising, MACD has seen good bearishness trying to converge here, not yet crossed over. RSI rising. On the 4 hour, more or less similar observation since the drop or recovery, it has come down towards the top here. Let's see how it behaves at around 48.60, 48.80 zone. That should offer a very good resistance to silver on the upside. The moving average is again starting to diverge here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish here, the RSI is almost flat. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, one important observation is the support it is getting from the 5 period moving average. Second important observation is the lower highs, means it is very crucial for silver to trade beyond 48.80 mark. That will confirm the next round of rise here. Notice it has created a base here. It is looking upwards, trading bullish. Though I see that the bullishness has got diminished, but it is not yet confirming a complete reversal. Stochastic overbought, MACD at the top again. Yes, MACD is trading at extremes here for silver. RSI extremely overbought as well. Considering this, where to buy? I will only recommend you to buy if you see silver at 48.60, 48.80. This is the zone it has to break beyond this, stay bullish for 49, 10, 20 zone, and then beyond this I will be looking at 49.80. The record levels 49.80, 50 has to be there very soon, and these levels should or might remain the levels from which it could try to reverse double top levels. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 48.20 levels itself. Expect 47.90, 47.80 as the first target, 47.50 as the next. If at all it trades below 47.50, that's the beginning of possible down move towards $47 levels, and a drop below 47 should take it all the way towards 46 and lower levels. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to crude oil. What a good move crude oil has shown yesterday, right from the lows. See, I have mentioned 61 and 60.5 should be the strongest support zone. What we had seen right from the lows, a good reversal is seen, and now it is trading at the top, and now it is very crucial for oil to trade beyond 62, 62.2 mark here, because beyond this what lies is 62.63.2, 63.3, and then in fact 64 levels. Yes, this could confirm a complete reversal here in oil prices. Moving average is crossed over again and trading bullish, looking upwards. Stochastic though has cooled down after a little rise. The MACD is still having room for further rise. See, retracement and now looking upwards might take it towards the top again. RSI placed comfortably, though near to the overbought zone. Look at 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour charts, yes, it has started with the day with a slight gap up. Though what we are looking at, see, it has formed a nice flag and now delivering a breakout. So one thing is, it has to first trade below 61.5 mark. That will confirm slight bearishness, but then 61.2, 61 should be the strongest support here, and then 60.5, 60.7. Remember the zone which we had discussed yesterday, again proving out to be a greater support. Also notice now it has strengthened the base here, and there is a possibility of a breakout on the upside. Let's wait for it to deliver this breakout, and then you can just stay with the buys here. The stochastic overbought, though while the MACD is rising, the RSI is placed comfortably. On the 3 hour charts, you can see higher lows, higher highs here. After this good rise, it is staying in the zone, and now once you see it is staying beyond 62.2, you can expect it to move towards 62.6, 63, and then in fact 63.8, 64 as well. See, it has formed a good base and now trying to break out. A breakout here might be a stronger one. The inventory data today coming in from US, with the US session might bring further volatility here. The stochastic getting overbought though, and that is why we can see a range bound movement for now. The MACD rising, it is a supportive sign for further rise. The RSI is placed comfortably. Coming to 4 hour, what you had seen on the 4 hour charts, the support here getting stronger, and see the rise and the dump, and now trying to break out. Now 50 period moving average, certainly a good resistance here. So yes, you can buy here at 62.2 levels now, and then expect 62.5, 62.6, and 63 levels here. 63, 63.3 is another good resistance for oil on the upside. Moving average is starting to converge. Stochastic overbought here, while the MACD delivering a good bullish wave, looking upwards, trading bullish. RSI placed comfortably. Coming to the daily. On the daily charts, look at the formation here. See, first of all, it has bridged the gap. Also, what we have seen here is after a series of bearish candle, it has confirmed a reversal sign, and since then it is trying to deliver higher highs. Now, since the preceding candle closed at the top today, if it breaks beyond 62.5, 62.6 here, we can expect a round of rise towards 63.2 and then in fact 64 levels very soon. Yes, it could be a stronger rise today. We have to watch out. See, the preceding candle comes with the tail, and once it moves upward, it is not going to reverse here. It is not going to trade below 61.5 then. Stochastic rising support is sign for further rise. The MACD is bearish here, waiting for it to converge crossover. RSI flat. So looking at this, what you can do, where you should buy. I will now only recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 62.2 levels. Expect 62.55, 63, 63.3, and now this zone, if it takes away, you can stay bullish for 64, beyond which sky is the limit on the upside. Yes, remember, now once it trades beyond 62.55 zone, I think the reversal possibility will be difficult, at least for the day. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell only if you see it is staying below 61.5 levels. Expect it to move towards 61.2, 61, the first target zone, 60.7, 60.5 the next. Any move below this should confirm the down move here towards 60, 59.2. And as I have shared till 59.3, you should not be treating oil as bearish. It can bounce back, it can rise sharp. So take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas, and before we proceed, do not miss to press the like button, do share, subscribe and comment. Also join the mentorship batch if you're willing to learn this art of trading, and join the signals channel. Let's move to natural gas. Natural gas has achieved 3.8 mark here, and see, we were looking for 3.8 since long. I had mentioned several times that till 2.97 is not taken, do not treat natural gas as bearish. Now see what has happened here, rise, retracement, support here, rise. Now this makes 3.8 as a crucial milestone, crucial resistance zone for natural gas, though I am still looking forward to $4 levels now in this month of October for natural gas. Let's see if it tries to do that. But right now, after hitting the high, that is trying to consolidate it a bit, and you can say now 3.75, 3.7 is the zone which is going to offer it a maximum support. So you have to be watchful around this zone, and the ultimate support now lies at 3.6 levels here. Till 3.6 it is not yet to be treated bearish. Stochastic at bottom here, the MACD since hitting the highs now trying to converge crossover for a sell. And yes, from these levels in general it tries to reverse. Let's see if it is the same zone now. RSI has seen a dip coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation, rise, retracement, support here, rise. It might follow with a retracement, and now 3.6, if at all it trades below 3.6, that is the confirmation for further downward towards 3.5. As what it is doing, it is delivering good bullish wave here, and it is possible that we can see gas moving all the way towards now 3.8 at 3.9 zone soon. Stochastic at the top, the MACD is in green trying to rise, RSI at the top as well. Look at 3-hour charts, what it has shown. It has shown an exponential rise. See the preceding few candles, this could be the potential reversal signal here. If at all now gas prices trades below 3.74, 3.7, you can expect more bearishness from here. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI at the top, just staying overbought here. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4-hour chart, similar observation here. See, after stronger bullish candles, see the retracement candles are smaller in size. Now 3.74 is the level you have to wait for, and then you can expect 3.7, 3.66, and then 3.6 to 3.6. Only and only if you see natural gas trading below 3.6, it's a reversal, else it is not much of room still on the upside. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI at the top here. Coming to on the daily chart, see the 5-period moving average has become a base now for gas here. Thus till 3.6 we should not be treating this as bearish. Also, what has happened, notice what did we discuss, that see the rise, double bottom or support consolidation, and this is the next round of rise. Also notice it is trading in this bullish channel. This is almost at the top of it. Now at best it may try to retrace, but now I do not see it breaking below 3.2 soon. Now see what's happening, another way to look at it is drop, retracement, the drop, retracement, and this is almost at the cusp of it. So now it is pretty crucial for gas to trade beyond 4 and 4. So now for natural gas, 4.2 is the zone, because once it trades beyond 4.2, that will take it all the way towards moon here. Yes, you can see the rise, the flag formation, and now once it breaches beyond 4.2, we will aim for $5 levels in the near future. But right now, let's focus on the near time frames. If you look at the daily chart, see it has created a very good support now at 3.6, 3.5, and see it is trading with slightly overbought levels. Though I think even if it tries to retrace now, 3.6 and 3.5 should offer a maximum support. If at all it decides to trade below 3.6, 3.5, that will confirm the downside here towards 3.4. And then you can expect 3.2, 3.05 in the near future. But right now I'll say For the day, we have to wait and watch. A move beyond 3.8 certainly be a good indication for further rise. Stochastic rising, MACD divergent and bullish, and MACD has still room for further upside here. The RSI is back to overbought zone, and it has also got room for further upside. So now what you should do, I will only recommend you to buy if you now see it is staying at 3.8, expect it to move towards 3.84, 3.92, and then the most crucial number at 4. Once it trades beyond 4 in the near future, 4.2 should also be there very, very soon. While today appears difficult, but yes, we have to wait for it to take a direction. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 3.75, expect 3.72, 3.68, then 3.65. If it trades below 3.65, it's going to be 3.6 next, and then below that 3.55 and 3.5 levels. Though such a move appears difficult as far as my opinion is concerned, I'll just wait for a breakout move beyond 3.8, 3.84. This complete zone is crucial for the day. If it stays beyond this, I think we are looking forward to a massive rally on the upside towards 3.9 and 4 very, very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates to what the result.